hope you all are fine well. The last class we have completed our first chapter. Among 4-digit numbers we completed the last class. Now we are going to start our new chapter, Wheels of Time. Do you know time? Do you know how to say the time, how to read the time? Do you know that? I hope you all are well known that how to read the time. Okay. Then do you remember our school time? Do you remember our school time? Say. Yes. What is our school time is the morning 9:30 to then evening 3:30. Is it correct? Your school time is 9:30 to 3:30. Is it correct? Okay, I hope that's correct. Then we are going to start our second chapter, Wheel of Time. Okay, what is time? Then we have read the time with using our clock, watch, mobile, calculator, everything we are using these 3 times out to read the time. Then what is this? This is one clock. Can you see this? It's a small clock. Okay, this is a clock. When you check this clock and some numbers are identified here. How many numbers is here? Then 1 to 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So notice how many? 1 to 12. Okay, then how many hands? How many hands? So the 3 hands here. Okay, you look at the clock and how many hands here? Hands. So 1, 2, 3. 3 hands is here. Okay, you see what is this long hand and short hand? This is a fastest moving hand. One short hand, then one long hand, longer hand, shorter hand. Then what is this? This is the fastest moving hand. Okay, what's the name of these hands? Do you know? What's the name of these hands? See, what is this? A small, shorter and short hand. What is short hand? Short hand. This is the short hand. So, short hand faced on where? 4. Short hand is on 4 now. Okay, so we can write what? The short hand is called. The short hand is called. What is short hand is called? Our hand. What is our hand? Short hand is called our hand. Then you check here, this clock. This is the short hand on 4. This is what? It's a longer hand. Long hand. The long hand is called minute's hand. Okay, long hand is called minute's hand. The long hand is called what? Minute's hand. Or the clock faced on 2 hands, our hand and a minute's hand. Then we can say that small hand is called our hand. The long hand is called what? Minute's hand. Then you check here. This one is the fastest moving hand. This is the fastest hand. What do you say this? Do you know? What's the name of this hand? The fastest moving. This hand is called second hand. What is? Second hand. Second hand. So in this clock we are studying how many numbers are noticed here? 12. 1 to 12. Then we can say the 3 hands. This is the short hand. Short hand faced on where? Now faced on 4. The minute's hand faced on nearest to 2. Then so we can say that the short hand is called our hand. The long hand is called minute's hand. The fastest moving, this fastest hand is called second hand. Okay, understood. Then clock has the 2 hands, our hand and minute's hand is once more the second hand also. Okay, then Look here. So 1 clock, you already know that the notice how many numbers? 1 to 12 numbers. Do you see these small lines? How many small lines are this face? How many small lines on this face, clock face? Do you know? You just take your clock and count it. How many small lines is there? Okay. Then in here, the small lines, how many small lines? 64 small lines. 60 small lines. Understood? So, we can say 1 to number is here. So, we can count what how many small numbers? 60 small lines. 60 small marking is here. Understood? So, then in between the two numbers, then two numbers make how many small lines? Between 1 and 2 makes how many small lines? How many small markings? You count it. Between 1 and 2, how many small markings make? How many small marking? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Understood? Okay, between these two numbers, how many small markings? All 5, 4 markings. So, this also 5, then 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. So, how many small markings? 60 small markings. Understood? Understood all? 60 small markings. Okay. Then we have studied. Then the shorthand. This is our hand. Shorthand is called our hand. The our hand completes in one rotation. Our hand completes one rotation in how many hours? This is the our hand. Our hand completing one rotation is called what? How many minutes in how many hours? Our hand rotates in, completes one rotation in 12 hours. You see this? This is one. This is phased on 4. Then we are moving to like this. Moving to like this, okay. Then rotating this, this phased on what? 5. Phased on 5. This is what? This now small, our hand phased on 5. Then we can say that the our hand, the starting from 1 to complete these one rotations make 12 hours. Understood? Our hand, it completes one rotation in 12 hours. In one rotation. One rotation. Our hand completes one rotation in 12 hours. 12 hours. Then how many rotation completed in 1 hour? Our hand in 1 day? Do you know that? You just calculate. Then one rotation, our hand complete the one rotation in 12 hours. Then how many rotations complete the our hand in 1 day? Do you remember? Then 1 day the our hand is complete twice in a day. Our hand completes 2 rotations. How many rotations? 2 rotations in a day. So we can see that 12 hours plus how many rotation? 1 rotation, 12 hours. Again 1 rotation, 12 hours. The total how many hours? Our hand completes 2 rotation in a day. So we can say that 12 hours plus 12 hours equal to 24 hours. How many rotation completed in our hand in 1 day? 2 rotation. So 1 rotation is 12 hours. Then again the 2 rotations also occur 12 hours. So we can write 12 plus 12 equal to 24 hours. So we can write 1 day equal to 24 hours. 1 day equal to 24 hours. Understood? Then the hour hand it completes one rotation in 12 hours. In a day, hour hand completes the 2 rotation. So we can say that 12 hours plus 12 hours equal to 24 hours. So we can write 1 day equal to 24 hours. 1 day equal to 24 hours. So we can say midnight to afternoon 12 o'clock, then afternoon 12 o'clock to midnight 12 o'clock. These are the 2 rotations. Then 12 midnight 12 to midnight 12, how many hours? Makes that 24 hours. Understood? Then 1 day equal to 24 hours. Now what's the time is now? This is at 5 o'clock. Understood? Next we are saying the smallest hand. The marking the smallest one. This one, smallest hand. In minutes hand move from one marking to another. Every minutes is make what? Every minutes is called what? 1 hour. Every minutes, in minutes it's complete one rotation is called what? 1 minutes. Understood? Then the minutes hand move from one marking to another. Every minutes it's complete one rotation in 1 hour. What is that? In the same way we can say the minutes hand complete in one rotation. What is minutes hand completes in the second? The minutes hand completes in one rotation. What? In 1 hour. Understood? The minutes hand complete in one rotation to make 1 hour. Then what about the second hands completing one rotation? Makes what? See, our hand completes one rotation, what? 12 hours we can study. Then minutes hand complete the one rotation, what? 1 hour. The second hand complete the one rotation, what will say? Do you know that? The second hands move from one marking to another. Every seconds it's complete one rotation is called what? 1 minutes. The second hands complete the one rotation is what? Only making 1 minutes. The minutes hand complete the one rotations making 1 hour. Then our hand complete the one rotation is what? See, 12 hours. Understood all? So we can write that 1 day equal to 24 hours. Then is the one rotation, what? How many smallest marking? How many small markings? 60 small marks. Already we can say. Already we have discussed that. So we can say that the minutes and complete the one rotation is 60 minutes. Minutes and complete the one rotations to make what? 60 minutes. So we can write what? 60 minutes equal to 1 hour. Then already discussed that the minutes and complete the one rotation is in 1 hour. So we can say that 60 minutes equal to 1 hour. Understood? So the same way we can say that the second hand completes the one rotation is called what? 1 minutes. This is also 60 lines. 60 small markings. So we can write 60 seconds equal to 1 minutes. Okay, understand? Then we have studied the 3 terms here. The hour hand completes in one rotation in 12 hours. So in a day, our hand completes the 2 rotations. So we can write 12 hours plus 12 hours equal to 24 hours. 24 hours make a 1 day. So next we have discussed that the minutes and complete one rotation is called 60 minutes. So we can write 60 minutes equal to 1 hour. Next, the second hands complete the one rotations to making what? 1 minute. So we can write 60 seconds equal to 1 minute. Understood all? So in this term you have studied 1 day equal to 24 hours, 60 minutes equal to 1 hour, 60 seconds equal to 1 minute. Understood all? Next one, how to read the time. How to read the time. You look at the clock. How to read and write the time. You look at the clock here. How to read this time. How to read this time. Is that our hand is on 5. The minute's hand is on, face on. Minute's hand is on where? 12. So how to write this time? What's the time now? This is 5 o'clock. How to write the 5 o'clock? So we can write in words 5, then column 5 o'clock. How to read this time? 5 o'clock. Understood? So how to write this is 0, 5, this is a column. This is what? This is 5 o'clock. This way we can write the time. This is the, look at the clock and first of all you read the time. What's the time? Time is 5 o'clock. How to write the time? 5 o'clock. Or we can write 0, 5, the column 0. This is also, how to read this also, you can read what? 5 o'clock. Then what's the time next? Then what's the time next? This is first of all you check the hour hand. Always you remember one thing, can write the time. First you can write the small hand faced on which number. Check the small hand, the hour hand faced on which number. That number you should write the first. Okay, first then hour hand is on where? 3. Then the minute's hand is on 12. Minute's hand is on 12. So we can say that this is what? 3 o'clock. What is 3 o'clock? 3 o'clock. How to write this? 3 o'clock. Or we can write 0, 3, column 0. This is also read what? 3 o'clock. You always remember one thing. You are writing the time first. You are write the hour hand faced on which number. That you select, that you find out first. Then we can write the time. Okay, here is our hand is faced on 3, the minute's hand is on 12. So we can say that 3 o'clock. Understood? The more example we will discuss the next class. Okay children. Okay, I hope you all are understood this the topic. 1 day equal to 24 hours, 60 minutes equal to 1 hour, 60 seconds equal to 1 minute. So we can wind up the class now. Then we are discussing the next class. Okay. See you. We'll catch you later.